everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to sync your Google Calendar with your Apple Calendar on iOS 18. This way, all your events, holidays, and reminders from Google will appear seamlessly in the Apple Calendar app. Step 1. Open Settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. In the Apps section, find and tap Calendar. Here, tap on Accounts and select Add Account. Choose Google from the list. Step 3. Sign in to Google. Sign in to your Google account. You can use Face ID, Touch ID, or your password to complete the login. Once signed in, tap Continue. Step 4. Enable Calendar Sync. Make sure the Calendars toggle is turned on. This is crucial. If it's off, your Google events won't sync with Apple Calendar. Then, tap Save. Step 5. Verify in Apple Calendar. Open the Apple Calendar app. Tap Calendars at the bottom to see your Google account listed. You should see all your Google events, holidays, birthdays, and more. Step 6. Customize your calendar. Tap the eye icon next to your Google Calendar to turn event alerts on or off, change the calendar color, rename the calendar if you want. Step 7. Wait for sync. It might take a few minutes for all your Google events to download, depending on the number of events in your account. And that's it! Now your Google Calendar and Apple Calendar are fully synced, so you'll see all your events on both apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.